Imagine waking up one day and discovering your job has been replaced, not by a person, but by AI. That's what happened at Salesforce. The company announced it cut 4,000 customer support jobs, lowering its support team from 9,000 to 5,000, all because AI now handles half of customer interactions. CEO Mark Benioff says this is not a dystopia. AI agents, he argues, simply enable efficiency, freeing humans for more strategic, creative roles. But not everyone's convinced. Critics warn, what about the feeling of being replaced? The loss of income, the stress, the unknown. And what of those whose roles cannot upgrade easily? And there's a catch. When AI takes over, quality sometimes slips. Impersonal interactions, errors, frustration. Still, Salesforce believes this shift is inevitable. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's fast becoming a driver of business strategy. The question many are asking, what happens to us, the people, in this race? So are we prepared? Can we reskill, adapt, or will many be left behind? If you care about your future career in tech or outside it, this is a moment to pay attention. What do you think? Is this the future we want, or a warning we can't afford to ignore? Hit subscribe if you want more real AI news, straight, uncensored.